Hello friends, welcome to taxcushy. Today we are going to learn how to apply import-export code online. In the last month, DCFT have launched a new portal and they have changed the existing procedure for applying IEC online. Let's look into the process. So first we need to visit the site dcft.gov.in. So where you will find the option for apply for IEC. So user has to register in order to apply for IEC. So user has to provide the basic details like name, mobile number and email ID. So once after submission of those details, user will get the login credentials. Login credentials will be sent to the email ID given at the time of registration. So I'm just logging to the portal. After logging to the portal, you will find the option for apply IEC. So just click on that, start fresh application. So we have to provide these details, general information. This is with respect to the organization details, and next the details of proprietor or partners or directors. So it will depend on the legal status of the entity. So thereafter you will provide the bank information. So and the other specified information. So then declaration and submission of application. So we'll start the process step by step. So I'm just starting with the basic details. So just select the nature of concerner form. So in my case it's a partnership form. So one has to provide the PAN. And the name is auto validate from the PAN database. Yeah, you'll find PAN validated successfully, right? So category of exporter is, in my case it's others. So one has to take care with respect to these two points. So whether the form is located in CIS, in my case it's no. Whether the form is located in EOU, EHTP, STPS, it's also no. And GSTN is it's not mandatory, it's an optional. So in case if you have, yeah, please provide the same. Otherwise, leave it blank. So one has to provide the proof of establishment. In case of company, it's a incorporation certificate. In my case, I'm providing the partnership form registration certificate. So make sure that it only accepts the PDF format and the size of the file should be less than 5 MB. So I have done with the basic details. Now I'm just entering the firm address details. So pin code, based on the pin code, the state and district will be auto populated. So you'll find the same. So here we need to provide the proof of address. So it's like you can find the options here. So we can give a sale deed, rental agreement, electricity bill. So I'm just providing the electricity bill. That's also. So I'm done with the form address details also. So in case of if you have any kind of branches apart from the head office, so you just add those details here. So otherwise leave blank. So I'm just going to save on next. Yes, it's successful. So here you can find application number is generated. So I'm just here I'm going to give the partners details. So in case of proprietorship, so you can give the owners details. So here we have to give all the partners details. Just be with me. Father's name is also mandatory. So address. Address. So we can find the state and district is not operating. So mobile number is also mandatory. So I'm just giving the mobile number. So I'm just adding on the partner's details also. All the details are going to be validated from PAN database. So, so I have added the partner details. I'm done with the partner details, so I'm just going to next. So here we need to give the bank account details, like bank account number, branch name, IFSC and all. So all these details are mandatory. So, account number. So we have to give the bank account details very carefully. Account holder name also. So bank name. So here we have to give the cancel check in PDF format. This is mandatory. It is validated. So I'm just clicking save on next. So here we have to provide the details whether we are taking IAC for which purpose. So import, in case of import, you just click on import. In case of if it is for export, you can click on export. So if it is for others, you have to click on others. So in case of both import and export, you can click both import and export. So before that, we have to select the type of goods or services for which we are applying IAC. So I'm just selecting others. I'm just specifying the reason for export of goods and service. So in case if you don't know the exact, if you want to find exact kind of your category of goods or services, you just click on others and say both for import and export of goods and services. So then the next step is declaration. So we are saying that this declaration is we have to mandatorily just tick the box and enter the place. So save and next. So this is the process. So here you could find the entire draft application. So you just click on preview. So preview will be like this. So this entire process you can check. So if you find any kind of mistakes or wrong details, you can edit the same and you can give the details. So if everything is okay, you just go and sign it and submit the application. So once you click on